this river here. We are here during my elementary high school. We will go back here and jumping over the bridge to take a bath in this river. My sister is a remote driver. She takes a motorcycle to drive on her own. And I'm going to buy a mortar and pestle. Asa si Rado? Diri na mga tanong, abri